Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MailerLite for SEO-friendly email templates step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the MailerLite website URL. Hit the Enter key to navigate to the site. Locate the Login button on the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password into the password field. Double-check that your email and password are entered correctly. Click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will see the MailerLite dashboard. Look for the Campaigns section in the sidebar. Click on Campaigns to create a new email template. Choose Create Campaign to start a new project. Enter a name for your campaign in the provided field. Select your target audience from the list. Click Next to proceed to the email design step. In the email design section, select the option for templates. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Choose a template that is SEO friendly and aligns with your brand. Click on the template to start customizing it. Use the editing tools to add your content, images, and links. Make sure to incorporate SEO best practices in your design. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Continue. Review your campaign settings before proceeding. Finally, click Schedule or Send to distribute your email. You have successfully logged in and created an SEO-friendly email template in MailerLite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.